A very good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn advanced features of Excel, particularly formatting a chart. As you can see the title, formatting a chart. What formatting is? Formatting, something that improves the appearance of a chart. You can format the chart by changing its title, text, font, line color, width, border style, legend, data series, and there are many more things that we can change the appearance of. You can also change the numbers on the value axis. We can also hide and show the grid lines, and we can format the chart in various ways. What are the different ways through which we can format the chart? As you can see, formatting the plot area background, changing the plot area background, inserting the chart title. It is also a type of format that we need to insert the chart title, and then we need to format the chart title as well. Next thing is about formatting the axis, that is about category axis or value axis. And afterwards we have about formatting legend, means the color or the patterns depicted for the data, and we can also do the formatting of data series. So let's understand all these points one by one with the help of our data on Excel. Simply, first of all, we need to select the data. After that, go to insert, and then we need to choose the chart type which we want. So suppose I take this one. As I click on this, you can see at the top different designs are available which we can choose for our chart. We just need to tap, we just need to click, and it will come. At the same time, we can change the colors also depending upon our choice. Fine, the darker or the lighter, whatever we want. Now next thing what we can do is, in the chart element we can look for the titles. Title for axis, that is primary, horizontal and vertical. So definitely we want both. And at the same time we can look for title of chart. It is shown above, so we want it. We can also look for data labels. As you can see the values coming on the chart. If we do, it will come this way, otherwise none. Data table we can try at the bottom with legend keys. And the next thing would be the grid lines, primary major, primary minor, horizontal and vertical. Whatever grid lines we want, they will come. And there are some suggested layouts also that you can think of. So before we do the formatting, let me write some title over here. Suppose I specify marks here, and here I would like to specify the title as students performance, right? So it's about students performance, and if I click on this particular title, I am able to increase the size by moving towards home tab, and simply I can increase the size. Afterwards, again, if I need to fill the background color, if I need to change the color of text, that is possible. The same is with students performance. Rather than changing the color and all these things from here, we can switch to format tab as well, and directly we can look for the different options available and we can change the format. Fine. Further, if you want to insert the picture or something at the background of titles, that is also possible. Otherwise, that thing we can try for the plot area. So this is the plot area. If I do right click, there is option of format plot area. We need to go there, and after clicking format plot area, we can look the option for picture, gradient fill, text fill. So initially in the pictures, I settle down this picture of balloons. Otherwise, you can go to insert and you can look for a file from stock images, online pictures, and you can choose various sources from where you want the picture, and you can take any picture and that you can choose, and after that you need to click on the insert button and that picture will come at the background of your chart. Fine. Furthermore, if we talk about the data table, this is our data table at the back, that also can be formatted. And if I do undo, I can see the table content is now clearly visible. So we can change the formatting, we can change the designing. This is the chart title. If I click over here, so this chart title also we can work upon by choosing the different options. As you can see, it is coming here, and we can see the outline also, the weight outline, the borders. We can set the border color as well. So everything is simply possible by choosing different options. Just choose the option, and we need to click it, and then the changes will be reflected. So plot area, we have inserted the image. Chart area, we have taken this blue background and this black border. Axis title, this is category axis title, we have changed as marks, and the chart title we have taken as students performance, and plus we have changed the background as well. And at the same time, if I talk about this data table, that also we can do here. Changes, format data table, and in this formatting we can decide different type of background for table as well. If you want to give solid fill, gradient fill, picture fill, pattern fill, it's all our choice, the way we want. Most of the time the color is prominent for the tables. Whatever color we choose, accordingly it comes. And then we can set the transparency. These are the very basic things for every type of formatting, whether it's about chart or any other thing. The selection of objects should be proper, and after that we need to choose the right option. The grid lines we have also covered. We have also understood about inserting the picture at the back. We have also understood about applying the borders. We have also considered about the axis title. Furthermore, if we want to see something, we can go to chart design, and from here we can add more elements to the chart depending upon the need, depending upon the requirement. We can put up whatever we want, and accordingly we can make changes. So I hope you would have understood each and every aspect of formatting the chart in Microsoft Excel. And definitely after repeating the things multiple times or watching the video again, if there would be some doubt, you can easily clear them about whether it is plot area background or chart title or formatting axis or legend or anything else. So thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.